Many creators and users have multiple YouTube accounts or channels for things like personal vlogs, professional content, or specific interest. YouTube lets you easily switch between channels on your phone without constantly logging in and out. You can post videos, reply to comments, and change settings for all of your channels with just a few taps. So go ahead, open the YouTube application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Then after, tap on the profile picture to go to your profile section. From this page, tap on switch account. To add a new channel, you can tap on add account and log in with the Google account for that channel. And once you've switched the channel, you can upload videos and YouTube shorts and reply to comments, change channel settings and descriptions, and see your channel's analytics if you have a creator account. So just tap on the profile picture and then switch account whenever you want to manage a different channel. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.